looking for 6,000. I got 55. I'm looking for 6. Now 6,000. I got 6. Number 240 now 65. Do I hear 65? Bidder number 240 is in at 6,000. I'm looking for 6,500. 6,500. Do I hear 65? I got 65. Bidder number 276. Looking for 7,000. I got 7,040. Do I hear 75? Now 75. Bidder number 190 is at 75. Do I hear 8,000? $8,000. I got 75. I'm looking for 8. Folks, valued at $10,000. The owner will give you all the recommendations you need. He's got you set up with transportation. There we go. 8,000. Number 276. Do I hear 85? I got 8,000. Do I hear 85? How about over here in the corner? We have some interest. I saw 2 paddles in the front right. Are we still in? Are we still in? 8,000. $8,000. Going once. And it's sold. Bidder number 276. $8,000.